Hello friends and students, welcome back to Spotlight Marathi 2.0 channel. My name is Chanchal and we are working on our speaking English skills. Okay, if you are working your speaking English skills, you have get some problems just like that. How to improve your speaking English at home, how to speak English without fear, how to practice speaking when you really alone. So these are some points, these are some questions you have get it, and we have also and you are also face this problem. This video help you to improve your speaking English. This video gives you to confidence to how to improve your confidence when you really speak in English. When we are speaking in the English proper way, we have to need to know some points just like that to basic knowledge and basic skills. And when we are knowing the basic skills and focus on the fundamental understanding of the subject, and the second point is basic skill in the simple abilities to need for a daily life like speaking, reading, writing. So if our so friends, if you start or learn to speaking in English, we must know some problems. We have also faced some problems just like that. What is the problem when we are speaking English language? So their problem we have also got it, and we have also faced it, and we have also got, when we really practice it, we have also got the solution it. Okay, there are several common problem when we really practicing on that. You also face it, me also face it, and people also face of this speaking English skills. Okay, so here are some of them. We discussing about some points when I am really practicing on my speaking English skills, I realize it to how to overcome that. Okay, I have make some categorize, I make some categorize of these problems, and we have also going with the step by step to how to overcome that. Okay, so today's video we discussing some problems and get the solutions how to overcome that problems. Just like that, the lack of confidence, when we really practicing it, we face the common problem, and the first problem is lack of confidence, and the second is lack of vocabulary. These two problems, when we really practice it speaking English, these problems also face the all of you. You face it, and also I am also face it. Okay, so we are discussing about some points, and I am sharing with you my experience to how to overcome that problems when I am really practicing it. Okay, so if you are relate these problems and you are also working on these skills, so if you have also got these solutions, and if you want to share with us to how to overcome that problem with your experience, so please comment on the box your please comment on the box your experience when you really practicing it. So we have to start our video. The first, going with the first problem. Okay, the first problem is lack of confidence. Why we are getting lack of confidence? When you really make some practice of speaking, you realize it that problem of fear of making a mistake. Okay, today in this video we aware of that any kind of mistake, because we know to that mistake as learning opportunities. Friends, no one is perfect, everyone makes a mistake, but now we are aware it, we didn't view mistakes as a failure but as opportunities to learn and grow. Okay, we have to just analyze their errors and make improvement to avoid repeating them. When we learning from mistakes is a hallmark of mental strength. It involves self-awareness, a commitment, a personal growth, to capacity to adopt knowledge. Okay, when adopt and improve after each setback, and you have continually grow stronger. Okay, when you really practice it, you got also solution. That is the practice speaking daily. Even if you make mistakes, even if you make mistakes, confidence improves with practice. And when you really practicing daily, these problems also got the solution is the lack of confidence. how to overcome that problems? To daily practice. This is the key of this problem. To when you really practice daily, practice again and again, your confidence improves it. Okay, because confidence improves with practice. Okay, so there is some solutions when we face the lack of confidence. I hope you relate these problems and you have also relate these solutions. If you relate this, if you really like it, so please like and share. Okay, now we are going to our now we are going to the second problem, and the second problem is limited vocabulary. Limited vocabulary means lack of vocabulary. We face it to lack of vocabulary, limited vocabulary. The vocabulary's core strength is the ability to express thought verbally in clear and correct manner. Okay, we have we have get some problem, and the problem is not knowing enough words to express thoughts. And how to overcome that problem? If you realize it, you got some solution to learn new words every day and use them in a sentence. Just like getting some activities, and these activities improves your vocabulary when you really practicing it. Okay, because these activities I am also done when I am practicing in my past days when I am working my speaking English skills. Okay, these activities is I am sharing with you. The first is reading books, articles, newspapers and online content. Consume the online content. There are ways when you face this lack of vocabulary, limited vocabulary problem. These solutions is really work on when you are really practicing it. Okay, so there are various way to improve that your limited vocabulary. Okay, so I hope you understand it, what I am saying it, and also what is my intention to sharing with you my experience to how to overcome your speaking English skills. I hope this video help you to improve your speaking English skills. Okay, we are just going with the step by steps problem to how to overcome our speaking language. Okay, these problems not only face the English language. If you are learn any kind of language, new language, so these problems also get it. Okay, so this video we have to just discuss about some points, and these points is lack of confidence and limited vocabulary. Hope these problems and solution relate you, and these key points help you to improve your speaking English skills. And in our next videos we have also getting some problems, and we have also find some solution sheets. Okay, so this video gives you to very valuable informations, valuable tips and ideas to improve your speaking English skills. So please like and share, and if you are not get the subscription yet, so please subscribe it. Where in the channel uploading the new videos, you have get the first notifications of these channels, and you really like it this videos information, so please like, share and subscribe our channel. So if you are still watching this video, so thank you so much. Bye bye.